All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Cortez Williams, case number SP 158888651. Appearance for the record, please, Ms. Bradfield.
Daphne Bradfield on behalf of Mr. Williams. State your name for the record, sir.
My name is Cortez Williams.
For purposes of arraignment, he stand mute and waive formal readings and ask that the warrant be recalled, Your Honor.
Enter not guilty, plea on this client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond. This says, I observed the driver on a red motorcycle, cruiser traveling at a high rate of speed, completely disregarding stop sign at Buchanan and then disregarding red light at West Warren. If that's true, that's some dangerous activity there. Mr. Williams, I'm going to put you in a breakout room with Ms. Bradfield. She's going to get you an updated offer. If you don't like the offer, keep in mind you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Yes, sir.
Join the room, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Williams. Mr. Williams, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Did I swear him in just now?
No, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, sir. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Bradfield went over your other advice or rights in breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You have any, by taking the deal, you're gonna give those rights up?
Yes.
All right, has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let's see. Let me draw your attention back to July the 30th, 2024 at around 6:54 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Grand Boulevard and Buchanan. Were you operating this motorcycle on that date and time?
Yes, sir.
Did you do what the police said you did?
I mean, I don't remember that happening, but like I said, they didn't get tickets. I had a car cut me off. I hit the curve, and they
Mr. Williams.
Yes.
Mr. Williams.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not going to take the deal.
Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yes.
No.
Hey,
No, listen.
Okay.
He's not asking you all that. He's asking, did you do what the officer said you did? That's what his question was.
Yeah. Let me stop. Let me stop right now. Your answer when I asked you that question, you heard what I told you the officer said you did, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
And when I asked you the question of whether the officer you did, whether the officer said you did, you said you don't remember that happening, didn't you?
Yeah, but I would just, yeah.
But what?
No, I would just, I mean, I guess it happened way before they gave me the ticket, yeah.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Okay, well, when they gave me the ticket at, it was on McGraw, but I did pass Buchanan and Warren, so yes.
See, we're not playing games here.
I'm not trying to play games.
We're not going around and skating around the truth. We're not doing any of that stuff, okay?
Yes, sir.
Were you operating this motorcycle?
Yes, sir.
Were you traveling at a high rate of speed?
Yes.
Did you run through and disregard stop signs on Buchanan Street?
Yes, sir.
And did you disregard a red light at Warren?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what this car did at Warren to you. What you say the car did?
No, not at Warren. It was at McGraw.
And that's where was that after you got through this stuff? Was that before you ran through these stop signs and then ran through the red light, or was that after?
No, sir, that was after.
So I would surmise that it's because of you acting a fool on this motorcycle is why the car didn't cut you off. You ran into traffic. If you're doing all of this, but you want to blame it on the other car, right?
Mm-mm.
Well, you said the car cut you off.
No, I said that's how I had the accident. I didn't say that's why I did the ran the red license.
No,
stuff.
you had the accident because the car cut you off, right?
Yeah.
So in order to, and when you say the car cut you off, you're saying that that car did something wrong.
Yeah.
Right? The car would have to do something wrong to cut you off, right?
Yes, sir.
So you're saying that was, they cut you off, and it was, did you have to, you fell off the bike or something?
No, I hit the curb.
You hit the curb because the car cut you off. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
So are you telling me that after you were rolling up Buchanan at a high rate of speed, didn't stop and blew through the stop sign, and then blew through the red light at Warren, now all of a sudden when you get to McGraw, you're acting, you're driving this bike normally now?
I'm not saying that. I might have. I mean, it probably was my fault, but I was just saying like they zoomed in front of me. That was it.
See, well, what I would say is, like my father used to tell me, you're saying it right, but you're looking at it wrong. Because the officer did not, the car did not cut you off. You're driving this like a fool. Right?
Yes, sir.
Find your client guilty of the amended count of failure to use due care and caution with the waste utility vehicle. $240 is going to be the fine. When can you pay it, sir?
Today.
All right. I'm going to give you till tomorrow to get this in here. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. I wish you would take responsibility for what you're doing. I wish you would adjust your behavior, because if you come in here with another ticket like that, you're not going to get a deal.
Yes, sir.
All right. So that's going to be 2 points on your driver's license as well. Best of luck to you. Be safe. 95% of the motorcycle accidents are the other car's fault. But in this case, you're that 5%, because I believe it's your fault, the reason why you got cut off and you had to that you went on that curb, because I believe that it was your behavior on that bike that was the cause of it. All right. I wish you would adjust it. You're gonna get killed out there on that bike. Best of luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
All right. All right. Let's call the city of Detroit. Is that Miss Bradfield versus DeMarco Jamar Gully? Case number.